Let's talk about quickies, those spontaneous bursts of passion that add zest to our love lives. They are the embodiment of carpe diem in a relationship, a reminder that desire doesn't always adhere to a schedule. Quickies are like stolen kisses, thrilling and a little naughty, and they possess a unique power to reignite the spark between lovers. In our fast-paced world where time is a precious commodity, quickies offer a welcome escape. They are a reminder that intimacy doesn't have to be a grand production. It can be a stolen moment of pleasure, a shared secret that deepens the bond between two people. The beauty of a quickie lies in its spontaneity. It's about seizing the moment, letting desire guide you, and surrendering to the thrill of the unexpected. It's about breaking free from routine and embracing the excitement of the unknown. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the art of the quickie, where passion meets spontaneity, and intimacy is always just a moment away. Quickies are not just about physical gratification, they are about connection, playfulness, and the joy of being desired. Playful intimacy is the bedrock of a passionate relationship. It's about letting go of inhibitions, embracing silliness, and seeing the humor in everyday situations. When we bring playfulness into the bedroom, we create a space where vulnerability is welcomed, and laughter is encouraged. This lighthearted approach to intimacy allows us to connect with our partners on a deeper level, fostering a sense of closeness and trust. Remember, a playful spirit is contagious. When you approach intimacy with a sense of fun and adventure, your partner is more likely to reciprocate, creating a positive feedback loop of desire and connection. So embrace your playful side, tease each other, whisper sweet nothings, and don't be afraid to laugh at yourselves. Remember, the more you play together, the more you'll connect and create lasting memories. Ready to turn those stolen moments into unforgettable experiences? Here are a few tips to make your quickies sizzle. First, location, location, location. Don't limit yourselves to the bedroom. The thrill of the unexpected is a powerful aphrodisiac. Sneak in a quickie in the shower, against the kitchen counter, or even in a parked car. Second, communication is key. Even in the heat of the moment, clear communication is crucial. Let your partner know what you want, and don't be afraid to be direct. A whispered suggestion or a knowing glance can be incredibly effective. Third, embrace the unexpected. Surprise your partner with a spontaneous touch, a stolen kiss, or a suggestive text message. Spontaneity is the name of the game when it comes to quickies. Lastly, focus on the senses. Quickies are all about maximizing pleasure in a short amount of time. Focus on the senses that get you going: touch, taste, smell. A little massage oil, a spritz of perfume, or a taste of whipped cream can go a long way. Remember, the key to a memorable quickie is to be present, embrace spontaneity, and let your desires guide you. Maintaining sexual chemistry in a long-term relationship requires effort. Quickies, with their inherent element of spontaneity, can be a fantastic tool for keeping that spark alive. They remind us that desire doesn't have to fade with time. It can be rekindled in an instant. Think of it like this. Quickies are like little bursts of adrenaline for your relationship. They break the routine, inject excitement, and remind you of the passionate connection you share with your partner. So, how do you keep the chemistry sizzling even in those quick, stolen moments? Maintain eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful tool for building intimacy, even in a short amount of time. Lock eyes with your partner, let your gaze linger, and convey your desire through your eyes. Whisper sweet nothings. Words have the power to ignite passion. Whisper something playful, complimentary, or even a little naughty in your partner's ear. Don't overthink it. Quickies are about letting go and surrendering to the moment. Don't get bogged down in trying to make it perfect. Just enjoy the ride. Remember, the goal is not to replicate the passion of your early days, but to find new ways to connect and keep the spark alive. Quickies, with their inherent spontaneity and excitement, can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. Creating an intimate atmosphere doesn't require elaborate preparations. Sometimes the smallest gestures can transform a space and set the stage for passion. Dim the lights. Soft lighting instantly creates a more intimate and inviting ambiance. Turn off the overheads and opt for candles, a bedside lamp, or the soft glow of fairy lights. Music to set the mood. Music has the power to evoke emotions and set the tone. Choose a playlist that speaks to your desires, or put on a song that holds special meaning for both of you. A touch of scent. Our sense of smell is strongly tied to memory and emotion. A spritz of your favorite perfume, a scented candle, or even the aroma of freshly brewed coffee can create a sensual atmosphere. Remember, the goal is to create a space where you and your partner feel comfortable, relaxed, and connected. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to feel good. Quickies can be much more than just a quick fix for physical release. They can be a powerful tool for strengthening your emotional bond and achieving relationship goals. Stress relief. In the midst of busy schedules and daily stressors, Quickies offer a shared moment of escape and release. They allow you to reconnect with your partner and prioritize intimacy, even when time is limited. Boosting confidence. Feeling desired and desired can do wonders for self-esteem. Quickies are a reminder of your attractiveness to your partner, boosting confidence and strengthening your bond, keeping the romance alive. In long-term relationships, it's easy to fall into a routine. Quickies inject spontaneity and excitement, reminding you of the passionate connection you share. Remember, intimacy is the glue that holds relationships together. Quickies, with their ability to foster connection, boost confidence, and relieve stress, can be a valuable tool for building a stronger and more fulfilling partnership. In a world that often pulls us in a million different directions, it's easy to let intimacy fall by the wayside, but it's crucial to remember that those stolen moments, those spontaneous bursts of passion, are the lifeblood of a thriving relationship. Quickies are about embracing the power of now. They remind us that intimacy doesn't have to be scheduled, it can be found in the most unexpected moments. They teach us to be present, to seize the day, and to never take our partners for granted. So, let go of the pressure to make every intimate encounter perfect. Embrace the spontaneity, the laughter, and the joy of connecting with your partner in the most primal of ways. Remember, the most important thing is to nurture the connection you share, and never stop exploring the endless possibilities of intimacy.